Hello everyone, welcome back to the series Learn Chess from the Scratch. This video is brought to you by the Board Wizard Chess Academy. Okay, so this is the fourth video from the series, and in this video we are going to learn how to set up the board. Where will we keep all the pieces when we start the game? Okay, so let's just see. Do you see the first rank and second rank on the board? I'm just gonna draw my lines. That is first rank and second rank on the board. And here is seventh rank and eighth rank. Now why am I showing you the ranks? The ranks are very important for starting position, for setting up the board. Okay, so on the first rank and second rank we will keep white pieces. Okay, and on the 7th rank and 8th rank we are going to keep black pieces. Okay, now this is going to be the case for always. Okay, on first rank and second rank we will always keep white pieces. Rather, where we will keep white pieces, those ranks will be known as first rank and second rank. Are you getting this? Okay, so let's start putting white pieces on first rank and second rank. Let's start with our pawns. So all the pawns, there are 8 pawns for white, and all the pawns we will keep on second rank. Okay, similarly for black we will keep black's pawns on 7th rank. Okay, now behind the pawns we will start putting our main army, that is pieces. So let's start with our this piece. Who is he? Rook. So let's keep the rook on a1 and h1. For black as well, black's rook will go on a8 and h8. After rook comes this piece. Who is he? He is knight. We'll keep the knight on b1, another knight on g1. Similarly for black, we will keep a knight on b8 and another knight on g8. Now comes our next piece. Who is it? It's bishop. The bishop will go at c1 and f1, and black's bishop will go at c8 and f8. Now comes the tricky part. Now queen and king is remaining. So we want to put white queen, white king, and black queen, black king. Where will we put it? Okay, so let me tell you this general rule. White queen will always go in the white square. Now you are seeing the d1 and e1 square are vacant for pieces. Yeah, one is white and one is brown, or we can call it a black square. Similarly for black, d8 and e8 are vacant. So the rule says black queen will always go in black square and white queen will always go in white square. So as a general rule, white queen will always sit on d1 square and black queen will always sit on d8 square. Okay. That leaves us with only one square on the board for white king, that is king to e1, and black's king will sit on e8. And this is how we set up the board. Okay. This is the starting position of the game. From here we will start to play the game. Okay. Now I want to show you, or rather I want to tell you the points of each of the piece we have. Okay, each of our piece has a value, and it's a very important to understand the value of the pieces. Let's start with our pawn, then bishop, knight, rook, queen, and king. Let's see. So pawn has the value of 1. Pawn has 1 point. Bishop has 3 points. Knight has 3 points. The points are based on the number of squares each piece can control. Okay, pawn can only control 2 squares at a time. Do you remember how the pawn kills? It kills in the slanting line, only 1 square. Yeah, so it controls only 2 squares. That's why it has given only 1 point. Bishop controls a lot of squares in diagonal. It is given 3 points. Knight, it can control 8 squares when it is in the center of the board, and it can also jump over all the pieces, so it is also given 3 points. Then comes our rook. Rook covers files and ranks, so it has given more value than the bishop and knight. It has given 5 points. Then comes our queen. She is the strongest piece, that's why she has 9 points. Okay. Then the last comes our king. King is the most important piece. If it dies, the game is over. So that's why king is given infinity points, unlimited points. We can't count the points of king. Okay, so that's it for the point system. This point system is very important when we will see the type of exchanges in the game. Okay, so just keep this thing in your mind. Pawn has 1 point, bishop has 3 points, knight has 3 points, rook has 5 points, queen has 9 points, and the king has infinity points. Okay. Yeah, that's it for this video. In the next video, I will discuss the special rules in chess, like castling, pawn promotion, and en passant. Okay. Till then, goodbye. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video and I hope you get something out of it. Thanks a lot.